If people think I look 16 to 18 years old when my hair is out, I can only imagine how old people think I look with this hairstyle. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel and have not subscribed yet, please make sure you do so right now, and also hit that bell so you can get notified every time I post a new video. So today I'm going to be doing low space buns. This is just a quick hairstyle just in case you want to give it a try, or if you're bored or whatever the case might be. So I don't really do these hairstyles too often, but some of my subscribers were like, why don't you do more hairstyle videos or whatnot? So I'm gonna start doing that more often. To be honest, guys, I'm just being lazy right about now. I like hairstyles that last about 2 to 3 days because I really don't like doing my hair because curly hair is just way too much to deal with sometimes. Yes, my curls are beautiful. Yes, I love my curls, but honestly, it takes patience and just dedication, honestly, and sometimes I don't have that dedication to do my hair every single day. That's why I don't try these new hairdos. So let's get started. Hopefully you guys like this video. So let's get started. My hair is pretty damn naughty. Naughty it is. I first start off by just parting my hair in half. Next, I proceed to just refresh it with some water because my hair is dry AF, y'all. The product I'll be using on my hair today is the Pink Lemonade and Coconut Curl Boosting Sherbet by The Main Choice. I'm then going to tie my hair with a bigger scrunchie and brushing my hair out with the Goody Mosaic Natural Edge Control Hairbrush. I got this brush at Walmart for like less than $3, so it's totally affordable, guys, and I love it. I then repeat the same steps on the other side. After, with the smaller scrunchie, I twist my hair up into 2 buns. Last, I'm going to be doing these edges with the Eco Styler Gel with Argan Oil. Okay guys, so those were my final results. Here they are once again. This was nice and quick. If you want to rush out the door, you just want to do something different with your hair. So that was it guys, that's all I had for you today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick hair tutorial. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do so right now. Hit the like button if you did like this video and turn on your bell notifications so you can get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys next Thursday. Why do I keep saying little?